In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the easiest makeup look anyone can achieve using the products in our beginner makeup kit. The first thing I'll be going in with is of course my primer, and I'm using the Zaron Oil Block Mattifier, and I'm just applying it on my T-zone. I'm going to let the primer dry down, and while it's doing that, I'll be filling in my brows using a Davis pencil in number 3. Let's pull the brush. Now I've filled in the brows, and I'll be cleaning it up with my concealer. Next up is our foundation, and I'm using the classic foundation in Nutmeg. I've not used a makeup sponge in a long time to apply my foundation, but I want to try it today. And this is how I'm applying it. I'm dabbing it into the skin. Okay, I'm dabbing into the skin. So we've blended in the foundation. Everything is looking seamless as it should. I used the sponge for this, and then I'll be going in with my concealer. This is the Zekel Second Skin concealer. It's a little bit lighter than my complexion, and also this concealer dries down easily, so one side at a time. Using the pointy side of the sponge. Use my compact powder to set everything. This one is from Zekel. I'm going in with this powder tiny brush. I already looked it together. Next up is bronzing, and for this I'll be using our classic face definer CM01, taking the darkest shade to bronze, of course. And the brush I like to use and with my powder brush and that same Zekel compact powder, I'll be setting my entire face. What I want to do is go into my definer again, but this time around I'll be using this lighter shade with my sponge, and I'll be using it to brighten here. Still on the definer, yeah, and my fluffy blending brush, going back to the bronzer shade, and on my lid. So this will be our eyeshadow for today. If you're still watching up to this point, please you guys subscribe to my channel. It will go a long way for me. Going back in with my powder brush to just blend off everything. So this is the first stage. We'll be using our makeup spray. So it's almost dry. I will just push the remaining, that's the spray, just push it into my skin with my makeup sponge. And the whole idea of applying that spray at that point is to tone down the powdery look. Using my black pencil, start lining our under eye. Be going in with my mascara. This one is from Blossom Makeup. Now onto our lips. Using the Davis number 18 lip as a lip liner. Then my lipstick. This is the Zickel lipstick in Electra. So cute. I'm going to use my highlighter. Fixing spray. Smells like coconut. I can literally feel it gripping my skin. Doesn't have what I need to. I don't get it. Ooh. That was a lot. And we're through. That's it.